Scholars, today's read aloud is called Rain. This book is about the rainy season in Africa and how different animals know rain is coming. This is a fantasy story. Characters in fantasy stories are not real and usually do things that can't happen in real life. I want us to make a prediction before we read. How do you think the animals will feel about rain? Before we read, we're actually going to go over some vocabulary words. The first word is boomed. Boomed means a loud noise. Our next vocabulary word is cracked. Cracked means broken. Splashed is our next vocabulary word, and splashed means to make wet by splashing. Our next vocabulary word is squelchy. Squelchy means squishy and wet. Here's our learning target for today's read aloud. It is I can listen carefully to a text read aloud, and I can find details to support the main idea. Here's our cover. The story is called Rain by Manya Sojic. Here's our title page. Again, the title is Rain, written and illustrated by Manya Sojic. It was hot. Everything was hot and dry. The red soil was hot and dry and cracked. A porcupine sniffed around. It's time, she whispered. The rain is coming. I can smell it. I must tell the zebras. Lightning flashed. The rain is coming, said the zebras. Porcupine can smell it. We can see it. We must tell the baboons. Thunder boomed. The rain is coming, cried the baboons. Porcupine can smell it. The zebras can see it. We can hear it. We must tell the rhino. A raindrop splashed. The rain is here, said the rhino. Porcupine smelled it. The zebra saw it. The baboons heard it. Excuse me, and I felt it. I must tell the lion. The lion spoke in a deep purr. Yes, the rain is here. I can smell it. I can see it. I can hear it. I can feel it. And, he sighed, I can taste it. It rained, and it rained, and it rained. It rained until every river gushed and gurgled. It rained until every water hole was full. Then the rain stopped, and everywhere long feathery grasses grew from the soil. Every tree began to sprout fresh green leaves. I can taste the rain now, purred the lion, but I can enjoy the shade of these big green leaves. I can't feel the rain now, said the rhino, but I can lie in the cool, soft, squelchy mud. We can't hear the rain now, shouted the baboons, but we can eat fresh, juicy fruit from the trees. We can't see the rain now, said the zebras, but we can have a refreshing drink from the water hole. I can't smell the rain now, whispered the porcupine, but I know that it will come back again when it's time. The sun shone over the plain. It was hot. Everything was drying out. The red soil was hot and dry. A tiny crack appeared. The end.